This Coldwell Banker High Country Realty property video is presented by Mike Holloway. This is a garden spot in the mountains with a year-round mountain view and a trout stream. The property is level with excellent room for gardening and growing your own food. It also has 260 feet of frontage on Hothouse Creek, a designated trout stream. There is an outside pavilion with a rocked fireplace and solar panels on the roof that provide extra power for the house. Inside the cabin, there is a spacious great room with wood-burning fireplace, and a spacious, well-appointed kitchen. The main level also includes the master and guest bedroom and 2 full baths. Upstairs includes a loft, another bedroom, and a large craft room. The garage is extra long to accommodate a truck or boat, and includes plenty of workspace. The cabin is nestled in the small community of Hidden Valley, which only has a half dozen homes, with plenty of peace and tranquility. For more information